Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Beau coming to you today here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest with this LBW longboard. Now, I've been playing with this for about the last hour out here. I like the stability, it's pretty good. What I especially like about it, and it's a weird small thing, but the actual paddle, it locks. Some of these don't actually lock right here, so they kind of slip when you're going along. And of course, it's absolutely imperative that you have that stability in your hand. As far as the actual grippiness on here, I'm not slipping. We do have some bungee cords on the front to tie your water shoes to, or your sandals if you don't want those, or maybe your lunch or your beer. It took about 5 to 10 minutes to actually pump this thing up in the parking lot with the included pump. But let's go ahead and see if we can flip this thing and then get it back right side up. So we're going along, we're novices, we don't know what we're doing. There's a way, oh boy, and then up. I put my life and my material possessions on the line so that you guys don't have to. But let's say you're out there and you gotta flip it back over. You reach over like so, and then pull it. And let's go retrieve our paddle. And we are back. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this small little brief demonstration of this stand-up paddleboard is right for you. My name is Beau. You can check the link in the description below for more reviews.